Mortgage Mark, let's talk about the HELOC terms, like a home equity line of credit, the kind of the generic terms. Again, this can vary from bank to bank, but this is true the majority of the time, guys. There might be a few tweaks here and there, but for the most part, you could take this as a good idea and understanding. Most HELOCs are going to be 20-year terms or 20-year notes. So in that 20 years, typically the first 10 is going to be when you can actually like pull that line and change the balance, go from a 0 to a whatever it is. So in a $50,000 line of credit, let's say, during that first 10 years, it can go back and forth all you want. At the end of year 10, whatever that balance is, they're then going to amortize over the remaining 10 years, meaning it becomes a normal principal and interest loan, because during that 10 years when that line of credit can be pulled from, it's going to be interest only payments. So what determines your payment? Well, it's the balance every single month. So whatever that balance is on the new month, whatever the interest rate is, your payment's going to be interest only for that amount. So guys, interest only just means you're paying just the interest. Nothing's going towards principal. You, at any point in time, can pay whatever principal you want. So rates will change based on the Fed funds rate, or prime technically. So when the prime rate changes, your interest rate will change. It could go up, it could go down. It's just whatever's going to happen. So your interest rate, or pardon me, your payment is based on whatever the balance is that month, whatever the interest rate that is that month, and then you'll pay the interest only. So again, that's true for the first 10 years of the loan. Afterwards, that second 10, it becomes whatever the balance is, principal and interest payments. So the other catch, or the other term, if you will, it's more of just kind of an FYI, is again just the loan amount. You're limited to 80% loan to value for the overall home in Texas. So whatever the value is, 80% of that value, that is what the all mortgages combined total can be. So you can't get a line bigger than what that percentage is going to be. So there's a whole section about A6 mortgages, Texas A6. Those are cash out equity loans. Check that out if you haven't already. And as always, call us with any questions.